Hey guys, this is Aaron the Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be telling you guys, how to be good at YouTube, how to get lots of subscribers. Now I made a video like at least a month or two ago about how to get like lots of subscribers and views and and get good at YouTube and stuff, and how to get started. But this time I'm going to be showing you how to get perfect at YouTube. Now you know how most people say you need to have like at least a £500 camera to make great quality videos. You need to have this, that, you need to have a PC, you need to have a laptop. Now I was really lucky and my dad brought a laptop, like about this laptop. We've had this laptop for about about 3 or 4 years now, and it's been perfect. Now I was lucky and I got, you don't need to have a laptop, you could have anything, you could have a computer and stuff. But yeah, and the reason how I've got good looking videos and stuff like that is because this laptop has a great quality camera and stuff like that. And yeah, so you could easily get a camera off of Amazon for about £6, and it's really cheap. So yeah, so just say, I've actually got a kind of story to tell you. Now, I have there's this person that is actually subscribed to me. This person might be seeing this video right now. Sorry, but their YouTube channel is called Tony and Big Tony. Now Tony and Big Tony has almost 200 subscribers. They've got 183 subscribers, and they got like 100 subscribers. They got 100 subscribers in about they hit 150 subscribers in about 2 days, and yeah. So I'll be sharing this with you. Now the first step is probably because the person that owns the channel probably has been on YouTube for a really long time now. Actually, I've only almost been on YouTube for 7 years now. It's really insane. But I've been on YouTube for 7 years, but I haven't been vlogging for 7 years. I've only been vlogging for about 5 or 4 years, but it's still really insane. And the other step is, it's alright to use a phone. You could use legitimately anything. And just say you're vlogging your first video. Now I've actually got a YouTube channel called The Savage Boys, and it's about me and my friend Kai, and we've just started YouTube and our YouTube channel. And what we did is we had our camera and stuff, and we were like, hey guys, I am your boy Aaron, and I am one of the Savage Boys. And then Kai came up, my friend Kai. Oh, and if you're wondering if Kai is my brother, no, he's just my friend. But if you're wondering if, yeah, and then Kai came up, and then, Kai said, hey, I'm one of the Savage Boys too, and stuff like that, and he, and then we just introduced us, and then after that we said we're the Savage Boys, and then we said what we're gonna do, we're gonna be probably playing Hello Neighbor, doing savage things and all that, and we made it as our YouTube trailer. Now we don't have any subscribers, so I would really appreciate if you guys went over to that channel and subscribed. And yeah, so you don't need to be perfect for YouTube. I've been on YouTube for 7 years, and I'm not even that perfect. It really doesn't really matter. But the only thing I do YouTube for is just fun. I don't really need the money. It's not for the money. It's not for the subscribers. And you don't need to be rich on YouTube. You just be normal, okay? It doesn't matter if all those people are rich and have mansions and everything, but just be yourself and don't worry. At least you've got a house, yeah, right? So yeah, I'm not even rich. I don't have like a mansion or anything. I'm just this kid. I'm just this guy called Aaron who's 10 and makes YouTube videos for fun. I started off, well, I made my YouTube channel when I was 3 or 4, and I started making YouTube videos when I was 5. I was 5 and now I'm 10. I've been making YouTube videos for about 5 years, yeah, and I haven't stopped. And the other thing you should do is, well, just say you were like going on holiday or something, which I am on Wednesday, and I'm going to tell you guys. But just say you were going on holiday and you never told anyone that you were going on holiday. Well, I think you should, because if that's not really responding to people. People are going to ask where you are, so remember to tell people. And the other thing is, yeah, just be yourself and make videos. And I really suggest you download OBS. It's free. I suggest you download that. It's a really good editing software. Now it's not editing software, sorry. It's a really good recording software. Now OBS is only for live streaming. Now I normally only use OBS for my live streams. I actually haven't did a live stream in quite a long time now, so I might do one tomorrow. It depends. Comment down below, guys, if you want me to do a live stream. But yeah, that's kind of it. Just respond to people, be yourself, and subscribers will be growing. Like, I started off when I was only 5 years old, and look where I am now. It's not perfect, but it's 19 subscribers. See, I'm growing really quick, and just be yourself. Like, I've seen a lot of YouTube channels who only have 1 subscriber. Now, I've checked their channel like at least a week after, and they have like about 10 subscribers. So yeah, it's not like, well, probably if the whole world knew you, they would probably subscribe to you. But like, not that much people know you. And the other thing to get perfect in YouTube is make a great name. Like, I couldn't really think of a name, so I just named myself Aaron the Gamer, because my name's Aaron and I'm a gamer. Like, it doesn't really matter. Now, not a lot of people are going to type up that name, but like, mostly, like, now and again, people will probably type up the name. Like Tony and Big Tony Family, that was one of my subscribers who's got 183 subscribers. They don't have a perfect name, but people will probably type it up now and again. Now, I just want to say, remember to like and subscribe. Let's try and hit the Iron Man. Next goal is to hit 35 subscribers, because I know you guys could do it. If we hit 35 subscribers, I'll be doing a massive giveaway. Legitimately true. I'll be giving away, I really actually don't know, but comment down below what you guys want me to give away, and I'll think of something. I'll try to do it. And yeah, so just be yourself on your YouTube channel, and you'll probably get some subscribers rolling in. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. So yeah, thank you all for watching, guys. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.